Do you want to hydrate better, beat bloat, and prep your body for a summer reset? Woohoo! Watermelon juice is your secret weapon, and today I'm teaching you exactly how to make it. Welcome to my summer watermelon juicing series. I'm LaLa, your juicy coach. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I prep, juice, and blend watermelon, including yellow watermelon, red watermelon, and yes, even the rind. We're going to talk about how these simple juices can help your skin glow, your gut feel better, and your body stay hydrated all summer long. And I'll share a few surprising tips along the way. If you love this, be sure to grab my free summer watermelon juicing guide. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get juicy. Why watermelon? First is 92% water, which means it's one of the best hydrating fruits you can eat or drink. It's also loaded with natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, perfect for hot summer days. Ditch that Gatorade, es basura! The best part? Watermelon juice tastes amazing. No más azúcar necesita. In this video, I'm using both yellow and red watermelon. And yes, the color matters. Red watermelon is higher in lycopene. Yellow watermelon is higher in beta-carotene. Let's start with the red watermelon. You want to look for a melon that's heavy for its size. That usually means it's nice and juicy. I always chill my watermelon first. That way, the juice is cold and refreshing straight from the juicer. Slice your watermelon into chunks. You can leave a little bit of the white rind on if you want extra citrulline, which helps with circulation. Citrulline, circulation. Now we juice. I love watching the juice flow. There's something
that is
satisfying about it.
Wow, that is a lot of juice.
Red watermelon juice is packed with antioxidants.
You see that
it's
juice.
Perfect for skin,
Look at
hair,
this.
and just overall vitality. Next up, yellow watermelon. If you've never tried it, you're in for a treat. It has a slightly honey-like flavor and is super refreshing. Yellow watermelon is higher in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This supports your skin glow and your immunity. Prep it just like a red watermelon. Chill it, slice it, juice it. I love mixing the yellow and the red. Not only do they look beautiful, but they give you a broader range of nutrients. And fun fact, yellow watermelon tends to be a little sweeter than red, which makes it great for the children or beginners.
They're over here singing. They're over here singing.
Now, the rind. Don't toss it. Watermelon rind is packed with fiber, chlorophyll, and citrulline. It supports circulation and helps reduce muscle soreness. After your workout, drink you some watermelon rind juice. This rind also acts as a prebiotic, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Here's how I juice it. Slice thin pieces of the white and light green part. I usually leave a little pink for sweetness. Juice it right along with your watermelon flesh or by itself if you like a more refreshing cucumber-like flavor. I love combining the rind juice with mint, lime, or even cucumber for just an amazing digestive tonic. Trust me, once you start using the rind, you're not going to throw it away again.
Watermelon rind juice. If you need to nurse yourself back to health, these are some of the first ingredients that I want you to reach for. Some citrus, okay? Some root vegetable and fresh fruits. If you are in the process of healing yourself, this is my call to you of what to add, okay? Very vital ingredients for a healing journey. Thank you so much, Kylie.
Few quick tips for juicing watermelon. Always chill your melon first. Cold juice is just better. Combined with citrus, lemon, or lime, it brightens the flavor and helps preserve the juice. Add herbs, mint, basil, even a touch of ginger or turmeric for that anti-inflammatory benefit. Store the juice in glass jars and drink within 24 to 48 hours for the maximum freshness. Now, if you want more pairing ideas, they're all in my free watermelon juicing guide. The link is below. Here's how I use these watermelon juices in my daily life. Sunrise, first thing in la mañana. Replace the coffee. Try it. You might like it. As a post-workout hydration boost, great for muscles and skin, as part of a one-day mini juice cleanse, and as a prep for my full guided 3-day juice reset challenge. Watermelon juices are light and tasty. They are perfect for getting your digestion moving and your glow going. And when I'm prepping for a full 3-day reset detox, watermelon juice is one of my favorite ways just to ease into cleansing.
It's pretty good.
Woohoo!
Watermelon wine. Yay! Come on, that thing. Okay, I'm taking my juices.
I hope that you have enjoyed this summer watermelon juicing series. If you're inspired to start sipping your way to more energy, clearer skin, and better digestion, grab my free summer watermelon juicing guide below. And if you're ready to take it even deeper, my next guided 3-day juice detox challenge is opening soon. I personally guide just a small group through a full 3-day reset with daily support, recipes, a tracker, and more. Spots are limited, but if you've made it this far in the video, I know you're ready. Grab your free guide now and save your spot for the next detox. All the links are below. Thank you so much kindly for watching. Stay juicy.
Now that's got red and yellow watermelon in it. So you did, yeah, that is.
I'm like, why
It's
is the
both.
color orange?
It's both.
I feel refreshed.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. It's definitely clean. They feel good.